Hey there, Brett Fogle here from Moonstream Crypto. Today I want to talk about something that affects every crypto investor, market volatility, and share some insights that can help you navigate these choppy waters with more confidence. Before we dive in, if you find value in this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more crypto investing strategies and insights. So let's jump over to the trading terminal. The reality of crypto volatility, let's face it, crypto markets can be wild and unpredictable, just like we've been seeing recently with all of the trade tariff confusion. One day Bitcoin's breaking all-time highs, the next it's dropping 20%. This volatility scares many investors away, but it's also where the biggest opportunities can exist. Think about it. Bitcoin has experienced 6 major corrections, over 50% in its history. Yet long-term holders who stayed the course have seen incredible returns despite these big drops. The question isn't whether volatility will happen, it's how you'll respond when it does. Understanding market mechanics, well, what drives this volatility? One factor is institutional trading practices like basis trading, where traders exploit price differences between spot and futures markets. I was reading recently about a retired basis trader who was pointing out something interesting. As hedge funds entered the space, the market became less transparent. Unlike banks, hedge funds don't have to disclose their positions, creating information gaps and fair value gaps that can amplify these market swings. When pressure builds in these markets, lenders become hesitant because they can't assess who might collapse first, and so this credit tightening can trigger cascading liquidations and dramatic price swings, as well as stop losses and further cycles of liquidations. So building a resilient strategy, how do you build a strategy that can withstand these market dynamics? Well, first, position sizing matters more than picking winners. Never risk more than you can afford to lose on any single position. Very important. I've seen many investors blow up their accounts by overextending or going in with high margin and get wrecked. Second, understand market cycles. Crypto moves in 4-year cycles tied to Bitcoin halving events and liquidity cycles also. We're currently in the post-halving phase, which historically brings significant upside when global liquidity starts to re-enter the markets, followed by an eventual correction, as we know. Third, develop a clear plan for both bull and bear scenarios. Know your exit points before you enter a trade. When emotions run high during market extremes, your predetermined plan becomes your anchor. It's very important. So the good news is soon retail traders in the US will also be able to trade futures and options on crypto to potentially profit from the way down as well. Previously, the SEC largely prevented these instruments from being allowed in the US, but things are changing, and even big household names exchanges like Coinbase may be offering these instruments to help level the playing field. The power of the proper trading tools is also important. Having the right tools can make all the difference. At Moonstream, we've developed special indicators specifically designed to identify potential market reversals before they happen. With the help of a 25-year quant engineer, hedge fund trader, and programmer, he's one of our partners, and he's a great guy. Our early reversal indicator has helped our community spot major trend changes, allowing them to protect profits during the downturns and position themselves for bigger upswings. In fact, the ERI correctly called the exact market top in 2021, allowing us to alert investors to get out of the markets early before the big crash. It also clearly alerted us when it was time to get back in January of 2023. Both proved to be exactly right. One member shared how this saved him from 30% drawdown when Bitcoin corrected last month. Instead of panicking, they had advance warning and preserved their capital. Now, the psychological edge is also something I want to talk about. It's the most powerful tool. It's more important than technical analysis because the ability to stay calm when others panic is what separates successful investors from the crowd. Warren Buffett said it best, be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. He also quoted Baron Rothschild, buy when there's blood in the streets, even if it's your own. In crypto, this means having the courage to accumulate during deep corrections and the discipline to take profits when everyone is overly euphoric. As far as a real-world application, let me share an example. During the depths of the 2022 bear market, when Bitcoin dropped below 20,000 to around 16,500, which I had forecasted 5 months prior, incidentally, we launched a new active trader online service that month, and I was telling people to buy in December of 2022, a month before our ERI signal that I just mentioned showed us to get in. People thought I was crazy, but we were right. Those recommendations look pretty good now, with Bitcoin hitting new all-time highs over 110K recently. Also, with me personally selling selling my Bitcoin at 106K and avoiding a nearly 30% drop to below 80K in the recent weeks. This is important not because I timed the bottom and recent top near perfectly, but because I stuck to my plan despite market fears and FOMO. So, some closing thoughts here. Remember that successful crypto investing isn't about avoiding volatility, it's about using it to your advantage through proper strategy, tools, and mindset. If you'd like to learn more about our approach at Moonstream, check out the link in the description or go to moonstream.io, where we have a self-guided video tour which will allow you to see what we're all about no matter what level investor you may be. It's interactive. You can click in the video to help guide you through some of the things that we help people with. You can also find out more about our easy to learn yet powerful market timing signals like the ERI and more, and also about our other live weekly classes to help you advance to the highest level possible in the shortest time. Whether you're an active trader or a long-term investor, we can help get you there. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Drop a comment below with your biggest question about navigating crypto volatility, and I'll personally respond to as many of these as I can. Until next time, this is Brett Fogle from Moonstream Crypto, helping people invest with clarity and confidence since 2018. We'll see you soon.